Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Twinkling stars, a pale moon, maybe a bright planet. We've all felt that pull, that wonder about what lies beyond. Space exploration isn't just about rockets and astronauts, it's about us. It's about understanding our place in this vast, mysterious universe. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars. We've told stories, created myths, and dreamt of traveling to these distant suns. Today, powerful telescopes allow us to see farther than ever before, revealing the beauty and terror of deep space. Space is huge, really, truly, mind-bogglingly huge. Our sun, a star we think of as big, is just one of billions in our galaxy, the Milky Way. And the Milky Way, just one of billions upon billions of galaxies out there. Deep space is like an artist's canvas. Swirls of color and light paint breathtaking pictures. We call them nebulae, these vast clouds of gas and dust. Some nebulae glow with an eerie internal light. These are star nurseries. Inside them, gravity pulls gas and dust together. The material collapses, heats up, and eventually ignites, giving birth to new stars. Other nebulae are remnants of stellar death. When giant stars die, they explode in a supernova. A cosmic blast so powerful it can outshine an entire galaxy. The expanding gas and dust from these explosions create some of the most beautiful nebulae we see. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies. They're not just points of light, they're giant balls of hot gas, powered by nuclear fusion in their cores. This fusion process releases the energy that makes stars shine and provides the light and heat necessary for life. But stars don't live forever. Like everything else, they have a life cycle. How long a star lives depends on its mass. Massive stars burn bright and fast, exhausting their fuel in a few million years. Smaller stars live much longer, some for billions of years. When stars die, they don't just disappear. They leave behind remnants, white dwarfs, neutron stars, or in the case of the most massive stars, black holes. Inside a nebula, gravity pulls gas and dust together. This clump of matter gets denser and hotter, spinning faster and faster. Eventually, the pressure and temperature at the center become so intense that nuclear fusion begins. Hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. A star is born. This process is anything but peaceful. Young stars blast out powerful jets of radiation and stellar winds, sculpting the surrounding nebula into fantastic shapes. These stellar nurseries are both beautiful and violent, a testament to the incredible forces at work in the universe. Section 5. The enigma of black holes. Black holes are perhaps the most terrifying and fascinating objects in the universe. They're regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. They're not empty holes. They contain an incredible amount of mass compressed into an infinitely small point called a singularity. The gravity around a black hole is so strong that it warps time and space. If you were to fall into a black hole, time would slow down for you relative to someone watching from a distance. Section 6. Echoes of the Big Bang. Looking out into deep space is like looking back in time. The light from distant galaxies has taken billions of years to reach us. This means we see these galaxies as they were billions of years ago. The most distant light we can see comes from the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint afterglow is a remnant of the Big Bang, the event that created our universe. By studying this radiation, we can learn about the earliest moments of the universe. Section 7. The unfathomable vastness. The vastness of space is difficult to comprehend. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is about 100,000 light-years across. That means it takes light, traveling at the fastest speed possible, 100,000 years to travel from one side of our galaxy to the other. And that's just our galaxy. There are billions of other galaxies out there, some even bigger than ours. The distances between galaxies are even more staggering. And even with our most powerful telescopes, we're only seeing a tiny fraction of what's out there. This vastness can be both humbling and terrifying. It reminds us just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Section 8. Are we alone? One of the biggest questions humans have ever asked is, are we alone in the universe? The sheer number of stars and planets out there suggests that life, in some form, might exist elsewhere. We haven't found definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life yet, but the search continues. We're discovering new planets all the time, some of which might have the right conditions for life as we know it. The possibility of life beyond Earth, even if it's just microbial life, is one of the most exciting and profound implications of exploring deep space. Section 9. A Universe of Wonders. Deep space is a place of incredible beauty and terrifying power. It's a place where stars are born and die, where black holes lurk, and where the universe itself seems to stretch on forever. Exploring this realm pushes the limits of our imagination and our understanding of the universe. The more we learn about space, the more we realize how much we don't know, and that's part of what makes it so captivating.